In the history of industry, there have been many revolutions. Now we are all part of Industry 4.2. What is Industry 4.2? It's a big buzzword that is flying around for now, and it basically refers to the fourth industrial revolution that we are talking about. The fourth industrial revolution is all about smart factories with connected machines, intelligent robot systems. To get into Industry 4.0 revolution, we need to understand the history of industrial revolution. The first industrial revolution started basically in 1770s with the invention of steam engine. We moved from hands to machine, farms to factories, powered by wind power and steam engine. The second industrial revolution started with the invention of electricity. Automation and assembly lines, as we know today in the factories, are part of this. The third industrial revolution started with the invention of computers in early 1970s. Computers helped to do revolution in banking sector, education sector, manufacturing sector, and it brought lot more possibilities for us. Industry 4.0 is all about connectivity. It's an opportunity to radically change the way the industry responds to the needs of the society. The opportunity for disruptions are very huge. To meet the customer needs, companies must start digitalizing all the existing automation along with the entire value chain. This means a convergence of customers and the business partners coming together. The goal is to make all the relevant data available anytime, anywhere. This leads to the development of new technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, digital twin, right? All these things will help us in Industry 4.2 to move forward and invent new ways of working. Smart machines connect to the network, can talk to each other without any human intervention, diagnose their own problems without any human intervention. Alerts could be sent out to the relevant person by machines. Like every previous industrial revolution, the organizations that don't prepare for this will be left behind. So start the journey of Industrial 4.0 revolution today.